Hello students, good morning. Today we'll discuss about the class 10th chapter 10 physics, light reflection and refraction. Okay, in previous classes already discussed about the what do you mean by light. Okay, you know about what do you mean light? You know about light is a what? Light reflection and refraction. So this is the both are related with the light. Okay, phenomenon of light. So do you know about what is light? Okay, just like you know about in this world all is okay depending on light. Without light we can't see anything, okay, any objects or particle. Understand? So also we can say that light is a form of energy. Understand? How can you say that? Light is a form of energy that enables us to see things. Understand? Also we can say that light starts from a source and bounces off object which are perceived by our eyes and brain, okay, processes this signal which eventually enables us to see. That means what? After light reflect, okay, strike any particles object, then after reflecting, okay, through that objects, then we can, okay, able to see that object or particle. Understand? Okay. So also we can say that what? We see variety of objects in this world around us. Okay. Anything in a dark room, we can't see anything in a dark room without light. Okay. So on lighting up the room, thing become visible. Understand? So all these things in this world, okay, any objects or particle, without light we can't see any objects or particle. Understand? And an object reflects light that falls on it. You know about no? When a source of light falling into the objects or particle, then after reflecting of that light, okay, and reaches to our eyes, then we can able to see, okay, that objects or particle. Understand? So this is the due to the phenomenon of reflection of light. So there are a number of common wonderful phenomena. You know about no? Just like you through a transparent medium, okay, transmitted light through it easily transparent, just like a glass. Okay, you know about no? Glass is a transparent medium. So we can easily see any object or particle through a glass. So there are a number of common wonderful phenomena such as image formation by mirror, okay, twinkling of a star, beautiful colors of rainbow, bending of light by a medium, a study of property of light. So all these are all these phenomenon. Why these are able to happen? Due to the light. Okay, all these are happens due to the light. This is the phenomenon of light. Understand? So by observing the common optical phenomenon around us, we may conclude that light seems to travel in a straight line. And you know about light is also travel in a straight line. Okay, in a straight path, just like a sunlight. Understand? Yeah, any source of light, any synthetic lights, which are also travel in a straight line. Okay, that's path is straight. So the fact that a small source of light casts a sharp shadow of an opaque object point to this straight line path of light. You know about when any opaque objects means you know about and that's substantial material that's light can't pass through them. Okay, yeah, also we can say that opaque object can't allow to pass through the light through them, just like a wall. Okay, yeah, any wood materials, wall. Understand? Yeah, doors. So this is the what opaque objects. You know about why the opaque object light can't pass through them. So you know about if an opaque object on the path of light becomes very small, है ना? Light becomes very small. Light has tendency to bend around it on not walk in a straight line. क्या होता है कि when a ray of light strike on a opaque object, then क्या they है ना bends, ठीक है? Then light is a bend, don't okay move in a straight line. So this effect is known as what? Diffraction of light. This phenomenon is known as when a ray of light strike on a wall, okay, opaque objects, wall या wood, okay, then what happen? That light is bends, okay, and don't pass in a straight line. So bending of light, okay, through an object or particle, that is known as what? Diffraction of light. Understand? So then the straight line treatment of optics using the ray fails. In this way, how can I say that this straight line treatment optics through the opaque object, this is the fails. So in this way, explain phenomenon such as diffraction. The light is, you know about light is also considered light behaves as what is the nature of light? The nature of light behaves as a ray. This is the ray of light. Also, light behaves like a ray, just like a reflection, okay, wave, and light also What is the nature of light? Second is wave. Wave means you know about interference and diffraction. Just like a diffraction you know about now. This is the nature of light, that is the wave. And third is a particle. Light also behaves like a particle. Okay, just like you know about photoelectric effect. Understand? So these are the nature of light. Understand? Do you know about all these things, wave or particle, है ना? कि also we can say that कि what कि according to quantum theory, light emerge in which light or light is a neither wave nor particle. The new theory part है ना reconcile the particles property of light with the wave nature. Okay, and also we can say that कि lights are also है ना behaves like a wave or particle nature. Understand? So we shall study the phenomenon of reflection of light. In this case, what is the reflection of light? Reflection of light, okay, in the straight line propagation of light. So this basic concept will help in the study of some of optical instrument. Okay, and you have also study about the what is the spherical and related with the mirror, okay, lens. So in this chapter all we have to discuss, we will discuss different types of diffraction, reflection, okay, about the mirror, about the lens. Understand? So we will discuss first, this is the first topic, that is reflection of light. So do you know about the reflection? Reflection means क्या है ना? Reflection means क्या कि when a ray of light, source of light coming है ना, when a source ray of light strike on any mirror या any plane surface, then what happens? Then it's bending towards the bouncing back together. Understand? Just like this is a mirror, any plane surface. When a ray of light strike on this surface, then it's what happen? Reflect back. Okay, then it's reflect back. Okay, after the making of some angle. Understand? So this is what? Reflection. Understand? So this is reflection. Okay, to reflect most of the light. You know about in highly polished surface such as a mirror. Okay, तो highly क्या होते हैं? Most of the light reflect falling on it. So already you know about what is the what do you mean by reflection and what is the law of? तो mainly reflection you know about कि when a ray of light strike on any plane surface या polished surface, then it's what? Bouncing back या reflects back. Understand? This is the incident ray. Incident ray I, after the striking on a polished surface a mirror, then it's reflect back. Okay? Understand? So this is known as reflection. Reflect, this is the reflection of light. Reflect ray, or this is the incident ray. This is the reflection ray, and this is the normal. Understand? So let's we study about what is reflection of light. So you know about this is the main things. So first we will discuss about one light incident on another medium. When light travels from one medium to another medium, it either. So when light travels in one medium to another medium, तो light gets absorbed या bouncing back. That's like a reflection. Reflection means क्या कि bouncing back. कि when a ray of light strike on any polished surface या plane mirror, then it's bouncing back. Okay, bouncing back means after the striking, then it's bouncing back, reflect back. That is known as reflection of light. Understand? And passes through or bends through, you know about the bends या passes through means क्या? Diffraction. Understand? तो this is known as what? Reflection. ठीक है? तो let us this law. What do you mean by reflection of light? Okay, you know about what is reflection of light? When a ray of light is striking on a polished surface या polished mirror, then it's bouncing back या reflect back. Understand? So in this case there is a two laws for reflection of light. Which is the law? First case, the angle of incident is equal to the angle of reflection. Okay, this is the polished surface. Angle of incidence, this is the incidence angle. After the striking, then bouncing back. This is the reflection angle R. Okay, and this is the normal perpendicular line. This is the normal. You know about now? So angle of incident, you know about now? Which is the angle of incidence? That is angle of incident I is equal to angle of incidence R. Okay, so this is the first reflection of law of reflection कि angle of incident equal to angle of reflection, यानी कि angle I equal to angle R. This is the first law of reflection. Second क्या कि the incident ray normal to the mirror at a point of incidence and the reflected ray all lies in the same plane. You know about now? All lies in the same plane. Incident ray, reflected ray, okay, I, R and normal all lies in the same plane at the same point. This is the same point. Okay, so this is the second law of reflection. Okay, So this law also has a reflection of light applicable to all types of reflecting surface, including a spherical surface. Understand? Formation of image by plane mirror. कि how is the formation of है ना image by plane mirror? You know about ना कि when we stand in a plane mirror, front of plane mirror, then what happen? कि we see the ना same objects. Okay, what? Virtual है ना? What is the image of object? Virtual, same distance. Okay, same size of the image. Okay, same distance of the image distance equal to object distance. You know about now? Image distance equal to object distance equal to image distance, and what? Same size of the object. Understand? Formation of image. And what? Inverted. Inverted या erect. This is the erect. Erect है ना? But one case is there. What? There is the what case? Okay, so let's see कि formation of image by plane mirror. What are the properties of image? है ना? What is the shape and size of the image? तो you know about ना कि plane mirror is always virtual and erect. क्या होता है? Always the formation of image in front of the plane mirror है ना? What's virtual and erect? Erect होगा हमेशा. Size of the image is equal to the object. जितना object का size उतना ही क्या होगा? Same of the image. Image formed is है ना far behind the mirror as the object in front of it. जो front of it होते हैं है ना? Okay, of the object in front of plane mirror. तो क्या होता है? इमेज फॉर्म्ड इज फार बिहाइंड द मिरर. मिरर्स के क्या होते हैं? फार बिहाइंड. ओके, बिहाइंड द मिरर. फर्दर द इमेज इज लेटरली इन्वर्टेड. यू नो अबाउट ना लेटरली इन्वर्टेड मतलब लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट अपीयर ऑन राइट. ओके, राइट साइड ऑफ इमेज. यू नो अबाउट ना लेटरली इन्वर्टेड मीन्स व्हाट? कि द लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट, लेफ्ट साइड. अंडरस्टैंड? दिस इज लेफ्ट राइट. यू नो अबाउट ना कि लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ द है ना लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ द object appear what? On right side of image. Right side of image. Left right, right left. Okay, and this is the main. Okay, what position, what is their size. Okay, so this is the formation of image by plane mirror. Understand? No problem. So the curved surface of a shining spoon could be considered as a curved mirror. You know about the curved mirror? This is the plane mirror. Okay, just plane mirror. You know about what is the plane mirror? You have you है ना facing of the you है ना front of you. Okay, faces to each other. That is the plane. But in case of curved surface you know about shining spoon. Spoon देखो चम्मच could be considered as a curved mirror. So the most commonly used as type of curved mirror is spherical mirror. You know about spherical mirror? You have to see na spherical mirror. The reflecting surface of such mirror can be considered to form a part of the surface of a sphere. तो ये स्फेरिकल मिरर क्या होते हैं? दिस इज द पार्ट ऑफ एस. जैसे दिस इज ए स्फेयर. ओके, दिस इज पार्ट इनटू टू टाइप्स. दिस इज डिवाइडेड इनटू टू टाइप्स. ओके, स्फेरिकल मिरर. अंडरस्टैंड? तो वी डिस्कस अबाउट वन बाय वन व्हाट इज द स्फेरिकल मिरर. तो लेट्स सी द स्फेरिकल मिरर. व्हाट डू मीन बाय स्फेरिकल मिरर? ओके, तो हाउ कैन वी डिफाइन इट? व्हाट डू मीन बाय स्फेरिकल मिरर्स? अंडरस्टैंड? तो द रिफ्लेक्टिंग सरफेस ऑफ ए स्फेरिकल मिरर मे बी कर्व्ड इनवर्ड्स और आउटवर्ड्स. क्या होते हैं? इन केस ऑफ स्फेरिकल मिरर, ओके, द कर्व इनवर्ड्स द रिफ्लेक्टिंग पार्ट्स. दिस इज द रिफ्लेक्टिंग पार्ट्स. अंडरस्टैंड? इन केस ऑफ द स्फेरिकल मिरर, दिस इज द स्फेरिकल मिरर. अंडरस्टैंड? ओके, सपोज दैट दिस इज ए व्हाट? विच मिरर? कनकेव मिरर. तो टू टाइप्स ऑफ कनकेव एंड कन्वेक्स. तो देयर रिफ्लेक्टिंग पार्ट्स इज आइदर इनवर्ड. ओके, रिफ्लेक्टिंग पार्ट इज आइदर इनवर्ड या आउटवर्ड. या तो बाहर की ओर इसका रिफ्लेक्टिंग पार्ट होगा या इनवर्ड अंदर की ओर. ओके, दैट इज नोन एज व्हाट? स्फेरिकल मिरर. तो स्फेरिकल मिरर हुज रिफ्लेक्टिंग सरफेस इज कर्व्ड इनवर्ड. इसका क्या होगा? रिफ्लेक्टिंग सरफेस इज कर्व्ड इनवर्ड. अंडरस्टैंड? अंदर की ओर. ओके, दैट इज फेसेस टुवर्ड्स द सेंटर ऑफ द स्फेयर. फेसेस क्या होगा? सेंटर ऑफ द स्फेयर. अंडरस्टैंड? इज कॉल्ड कनकेव मिरर. अंडरस्टैंड? व्हाट डू मीन बाय कनकेव मिरर? यू नो अबाउट ना कनकेव मिरर मीन्स क्या? कि दैट्स मिरर, दैट्स स्फेरिकल मिरर वेयर रिफ्लेक्टिंग पार्ट इज व्हाट? कर्व्ड इनवर्ड. ओके, कर्व्ड मिरर आ जाए है ना स्फेरिकल मिरर विच कर्व्ड इनवर्ड, जो अंदर की ओर होगा. जैसे क्या है ये? बाहर क्या होगा? इन आउटर सरफेस देयर इज प्लेन है ना पॉली सरफेस एंड देयर आउटर सरफेस इज इनवर्ड. दैट इज रिफ्लेक्टिंग पार्ट. व्हेन ए रे ऑफ लाइट कमिंग फ्रॉम infinitive या any source of light then strike on this है ना inward. Okay, inward surface, inward part of the spherical mirror. That is reflecting part is inward. Okay, inner side. That is known as what? Concave mirror. Which mirror? Concave mirror. The reflecting surface such mirror can be considered to form part of the surface of a sphere, and this is the part of the surface of a sphere, reflecting part. Okay. So such mirror whose reflecting surface are spherical are called spherical mirror. You know about a spherical mirror, a spherical surface. So this is the what? Concave. See here the example given there. You've seen na? What? This is the concave mirror. Okay, their outer part is polished part, and inward is the reflecting part. Okay, they are curved inward, reflecting part, that is known as concave mirror. Okay, so reflecting surface is curved inward, it's called the convex, है ना? It's called the convex mirror. The reflecting part is what? Curved outward. Reflecting surface is curved outward. There, see here na? This is the convex mirror. Convex mirror means what? कि their reflecting part is outward. Reflecting part क्या है? Outward, बाहर की ओर. And inside is the polished surface, that is known as convex. The symmetric representation of the concave and convex are given below. You have seen now. So you may now understand that the surface of the spoon curved inward can be approximately a concave mirror. तो स्पून जो होती है ना, कर्व क्या है? इनवर्ड है. स्पून, यू हैव सीन ना स्पून, तो उसमें क्या होता है? कर्व्ड इनवर्ड, दैट इज क्या है? वो concave mirror. तो एंड सरफेस ऑफ द स्पून बल्ड आउटवर्ड्स कैन बी अप्रोक्सीमेटली टू ए कन्वेक्स, और बल्ड आउटवर्ड्स की हम बात करते हैं उसके आउटवर्ड, तो क्या होगा? दैट मीन्स कन्वेक्स. तो आल्सो वी कंसिडर कि फर्दर स्फेरिकल मिरर वी नीड टू रिकॉग्नाइज अंडरस्टैंडिंग द मीनिंग ऑफ ए फ्यू टर्म्स. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, ओके, आफ्टर द रिकॉग्नाइजेशन है ना, clear you have to know about what is the concave mirror and convex mirror. First, okay, you have to know the some basic and important terms related with the spherical mirror. What is the some है ना basic terms related with the spherical mirror? Understand? So first we will discuss about the what center of curvature. What do you mean by center of curvature? Understand? Related with the spherical mirror, just like you see here. Understand? Suppose that this is a any mirror, this is the concave mirror, suppose that, sorry, okay, this is outer is the polished surface, and this is the, it is denoted by P, this is the pole, this is the M and N, this is the name of mirror, MN, this is known as aperture. Okay, size of the height of the image, that is known as aperture. Yeah, height also we can say that. Here is the focus, okay, F, and this is the center of curvature, C. So some basic important terms, okay, related with the spherical mirror. So next we will discuss about the one by one. First we discuss about the what you mean by center of curvature. This is the C. C means center of curvature, also known as radius of curvature, center of curvature. So first we will discuss center of curvature. What is center of curvature? So center of curvature of a spherical mirror, this is the spherical mirror, okay, is the point, okay, in center of the mirror, which passes through the curve of the mirror, जो कहाँ से पास करती है? It passes through the curve of the mirror. Understand? And has the same tangent and curvature, okay, at that point, and at that point, okay, this is known as what? Center of curvature. You know about na? That is the center of curvature. Also we can say the distance from the pole, okay, which passes through that, this is known as also principal axis. कि center of curvature, also we can say that कि spherical mirror is that point, ये क्या है? It's a point, center of the mirror, center of mirror P, you know about the pole, okay, which passes through the curve of the mirror, जो कहाँ से पास करती है? Curve of the mirror. Curve of mirror you know about ना, just like see here. What is center of curvature? Center of curvature means क्या? This is the sphere, this is the spherical part, two parts together them. So it is the what? This is the center O. Understand? Center O na? Circle. This is the center of circle O. Understand? This is the half sphere. Yes, semicircle. You know about? Okay. So this is the, here is pole, and this is the known as center of curvature. This is the, also we can say that क्या? Point of center of the circle. Okay, yeah, center of the spherical part. Okay, that is known as center of curvature. Understand? You know about that? This is the center O. So half of the hemisphere, that is also we can say center of O, is known as center of curvature. Okay, which passes through the where? Through the curve of the mirror. Understand? And has some tangent and curvature of that point. Okay, denoted by C. that is center of circle is known as center of curvature, also we can say that. Okay, understand? So this is the center of curvature. Second is known as what? Radius of curvature. You know about radius of curvature? Radius of curvature, that is denoted by r, radius of curvature. So it is the linear distance between the pole and center of curvature. What is it? Is the linear distance, that's like a, here is the mirror, suppose that. What is the radius of curvature? This is the concave mirror. Okay, this is the pole, this is the focus, and this is the center of curvature. See, that is center of circle, है ना, hemisphere. Okay, so the distance between the center of curvature and pole, this is the linear, what? Linear distance, you know about na? It is the linear distance. It is the linear distance between the pole and center of curvature. Okay, pole and center of curvature is known as radius of curvature. Understand? What do you mean by radius of curvature? So radius of curvature, it is a linear distance between the pole and center of curvature, is known as radius of curvature. It is denoted by a small r. Understand? Okay, it is denoted by a small r. And do you know what na? Between the pole and center of curvature, that is known as radius of curvature. The what will be focal length? The focal length is what? Half of the radius of curvature is known as focal length. Okay, half of the radius of curvature, that is r by 2 equal to f, है ना, focal length. Half of the radius of curvature, okay, that is known as focal length. You know about na? Also we can say that. Now we discuss about the pole. What do you mean by pole? तो पोल नो अबाउट ना कि इट इज द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ द स्फेरिकल मिरर. ये स्फेरिकल मिरर है ना, तो इसका जो मिड पॉइंट है, ओके, मिड पॉइंट ऑफ द स्फेरिकल मिरर, व्हाट? मिड पॉइंट ऑफ द स्फेरिकल मिरर इज नोन एज पोल. दिस इज द स्फेरिकल मिरर. तो इसका मिड पॉइंट जो है, मिड पॉइंट ऑफ द स्फेरिकल मिरर इज नोन एज पोल. ओके, एंड व्हाट डू मीन बाय प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस? व्हाट डू मीन बाय प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस? डू यू नो? तो इट इज एन इमेजिनरी लाइन. इट इज एन इमेजिनरी लाइन पासिंग थ्रू द ऑप्टिकल सेंटर. जो कहाँ से पास कर रही है? पासिंग थ्रू द ऑप्टिकल सेंटर. ओके, एंड द सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर. कहाँ से पास करेगा? पासिंग थ्रू द ऑप्टिकल सेंटर एंड सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर. अंडरस्टैंड? ऑफ एनी लेंस ऑफ ए स्फेरिकल मिरर. किसी भी लेंस, ओके, ऑफ ए स्फेरिकल मिरर, किसी भी लेंस का स्फेरिकल मिरर से. इट इज ए क्या है? इमेजिनरी लाइन. ओके, विच पासेस थ्रू द, ओके, ऑप्टिकल सेंटर. ऑप्टिकल सेंटर, यू नो अबाउट, जैसे ऑप्टिकल सेंटर ओ है, सेंटर है ना, वही सेंटर ऑफ सर्कल या हेमिस्फीयर. ओके, एंड पासेस थ्रू द सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर, also we can say that. Okay, and strike to the midpoint of the what? Spherical part, that is concave mirror. Okay, that is known as, so this linear line is known as principal axis. What do you mean principal axis? It is an imaginary line passing through the optical center. Okay, passing through the optical center and center of curvature. Okay, no problem. देखिए center of curvature, also we can say that here कि the point is called the center of curvature of the spherical mirror. है ना, spherical mirror forms a part of a sphere. That is you know about. So all these here given below. What is my center of curvature? What is radius of curvature? है ना, mirror of a convex mirror. All of you know about. Okay. And what do you mean by aperture? What do you mean by aperture? Aperture you know about. What is aperture? तो the area of the convex mirror. जैसे ये convex है या concave है, anything. You know about ना. तो हाइट या साइज हम कह सकते हैं कि हाइट ऑफ द कनकेव या कन्वेक्स मिरर. ओके, कि द हाइट ऑफ द स्फेरिकल मिरर, आल्सो वी कैन से द हाइट ऑफ द स्फेरिकल मिरर, ओके, इज कॉल्ड अपर्चर. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? अपर्चर. अंडरस्टैंड? जस्ट लाइक दिस मिरर इज नोन एज एम एन. नेम इज द मिरर इज एम और एन. तो यही जो हाइट हुआ, हाइट ऑफ द, है ना, स्फेरिकल मिरर इज नोन एज व्हाट? अपर्चर. ओके, आल्सो वी कैन से दैट द एरिया ऑफ ए कन्वेक्स मिरर that is exposed to incident light. जो incident light को क्या करता है? exposed, is called aperture. कि जहाँ से reflecting part है, this is the reflecting part ना, all these. okay, तो this is the area of the unreflecting part of the, okay, mirror, यानी exposed to incident light. exposed to incident light. incident light को जो क्या करता है? exposed. understand? that is known as क्या है? aperture. understand? no problem. अब now we discuss about what you mean by प्रिंसिपल फोकस या फोकल लेंथ. तो व्हाट इज योर प्रिंसिपल फोकस या फोकल लेंथ? You know about now? When incident rays of to the spherical mirror are parallel to principal axis, just like you know about now. When incident ray, this is the pole, this is the focus, this is the center of curvature. When incident ray, okay, incident ray, you know about now, this is the incident ray coming from the source, parallel to principal axis. This is the principal axis, parallel to principal axis. Okay, so the reflected rays either actually intersected to appear to intersect at a point on principal axis, yeah, which passes through the hana, where after the striking on a reflecting part of the what concave mirror, if any source of light coming, okay, this is the incident ray, incident light, after the striking on a reflecting part of the concave mirror, then it passes through the that point. जिस पॉइंट से क्या कर रहा है, इंटरसेक्ट, पासिंग थ्रू द दैट पॉइंट या इंटरसेक्ट एट दैट पॉइंट, इंटरसेक्ट ओके एट ए पॉइंट ऑन प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस, दिस इज द प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस, ओके, intersect at that point on principal axis, okay, so the point of intersection is known as principal focus, okay, या focal length, that is known as principal focus. Okay, no problem. कि when a incident ray after striking on a reflecting part of a spherical mirror, okay, तो after the है ना incident, okay, तो after the reflected rays either actually intersect, okay, or appear to intersect at that point on principal axis, कि जिस पॉइंट पे प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस के जिस पॉइंट पे वो क्या कर रहा है, इंटरसेक्ट, तो दैट पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन इज नोन एज व्हाट, प्रिंसिपल फोकस. नो प्रॉब्लम, इट इज डिनोटेड बाय एफ. ओके, अब व्हाट यू मीन बाय फोकल लेंथ, व्हाट यू मीन बाय फोकल लेंथ, do you know about now what is focal length? You also know about what is focal length. This is the p, this is the f focus length, and this is the center of curvature. You know about what is focal length? So the distance between the pole and point of focus, the distance between the pole, this is the pole p, and point of focus, okay, is called what, focal length. Distance between the what, focus, pole and focus, ये पोल और फोकस दोनों के बीच की जो दूरी है, दैट इज नोन एज फोकल लेंथ. इट इज डिनोटेड बाय व्हाट, स्मॉल एफ. ओके, एंड डू यू नो अबाउट व्हाट इज द रिलेशन बिटवीन रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर एंड फोकल लेंथ? तो यू नो अबाउट रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर आर इक्वल टू व्हाट, 2 इंटू एफ, यानी कि रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर इज 2 टाइम्स ऑफ फोकल लेंथ. रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर इज ट्वाइस ऑफ फोकल लेंथ. Then what is the focal length? Then focal length equal to r by 2. So this is the relation between the focal length and radius of curvature, यानी कि r equal to 2f, then f equal to what, r by 2. Understand? So this is the relation between focal length and radius of curvature. No problem. I hope you all are understand. Okay.